Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about the average rate of change. So now I will show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. That's about f of b minus f of a over b minus a on the interval from a to b. So we have the interval in here. So that's about number 7. This is about number 9. So that means we can put number 9 in here, number 7 in here, and we put number 9 in here, number 7 in here. So we will have about f of number 9 minus f of number 7 over 9 minus 7. About f of 9, we have the function in here. So we put number 9 go in here and here. So we will have about 9 square plus 9 multiplied by 9 minus we put number 7 go in here and here. So we have 7 square plus 9 multiplied by 7 over 9 minus 7. We calculate about this one. You got about 25. And we need to choose about B. This is the end. Thank you for watching.